a mathematical term.
That would be my big fat ass. That shit tastes good. I don't give a damn what nobody said. That shit yummy. That's yummy hot dogs.
Vector! That's me, because I'm committing crimes with both direction and magnitude. Oh yeah! Check out my new weapon.